Namaste children, I am your fine art teacher. Weather has changed, month has changed. Let's do something different drawing. Today we are doing a rainy day drawing but something different using with the cartoons and different characters. You can hold your paper in vertical or horizontal according to your selection of picture. First I show you few reference of drawing. Observe perfectly and then you decide what you want to do it. First drawing, frog is holding umbrella. You can see the proportion, size, it is a vertical position drawing. Then another two frogs are sitting on the nice under the mushroom, it's look like an umbrella only. So it is a horizontal drawing. So observe perfectly and you can decide how you will do it. Again the two different cute cartoon with that umbrella also with the cartoon characters on it. Tiny miny elephant. You can see how he's holding umbrella and enjoying under the rain. Again one more cute elephant is sitting with orange umbrella. A boy with the cartoon characters. You can draw that also. Birds, owls, how they are also standing and they feel we are also safe under the umbrella. Another owl, two couple, and how is shown the fruit cutting on the shape of umbrella. Two cartoons, monkey characters. See how they are sitting. Now you can see another cartoon character. It's a blue color. You know the name. Say, what is the name? Yes, you all are aware about the different cartoons name. Again the frog is sitting. Now big fat hand, dark, all are sitting. Winnie the Pooh. Oh my god, the Pooh's umbrella is upside down. The hands, they don't have umbrella, so you can understand what they have used for the umbrella. Winnie the Pooh enjoying, the umbrella is already gone. Ugly duckling is sitting under the umbrella. Oh my god, wind is so much, so tiger umbrella is flew away. Mickey and Minnie, they are enjoying under the umbrella. Donald Duck is so angry, why rain is coming every time. Minnie is again enjoying. Two cartoon characters again sitting under the umbrella. These all different, it's my thought and my reference. You compose, you select your different drawing from your reference. Again the Google Baba is there with you. You can search the many cartoon books, cartoon characters from clip arts, birds, animal, text with umbrella. You will get a different characters. Today I have done the rough drawing. I show you first my rough drawing and how I have done it. I have done the rough layout. Now I am outlining this drawing. Hope you understand this cartoon. It's very famous. Dora. Yes, she's sitting under the umbrella. So you can see how I am doing. I am using thick and thin pens together to give a different look to my cartoon. To save our time, I have just the rough layout first. So with the pencil outline, with the sketch pens outline, you can able to see what I have done. This paper I have used in the horizontal way. If your cartoon is in vertical position, so you can change according to that way. To save our time, Do it according to the proportion wise perfectly. Few cartoons if I have not shown you or I have not labeled, but still if you know, please do it on your own, no problem for that. You have a freedom to choose your choice cartoon. So today the time, first you will select your cartoon. After selecting your cartoon, you will draw. After drawing, you will just outline and keep. Next time we will do the coloring and everything. Have a nice day. Have a great day. Thank you.